This is a 2017 Chevrolet Colorado Z71, blue over gray interior. Our driver's seat, our windows, locks, and mirrors, leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, traction control, air conditioning, heated and cooled seats, electronic climate control, with the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, tonneau cover, sliding rear window, bed liner. This is Z71, powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Chevrolet, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.